Condo Alternative, one of the most affordable HOA-restricted single-family homes in Punta Gorda. Trade yard work for Sunsets and Serenity in Rio Villa Lakes, a gated 55-plus community where low-maintenance living meets resort-style amenities. This 2021-built corner-lot charmer sits high on a 10 ASL stem wall, and for additional peace of mind it includes a fully transferable flood policy, surrounded by swaying palms and undeniable curb appeal. Step inside and discover a move-in ready, concrete block home protected by impact-rated windows, doors, and shutters. The bright, open floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and fresh ceramic tile throughout, with the primary suite tucked away for peaceful privacy. The heart of the home, a newly updated chef's kitchen, shines with granite countertops, a farmhouse sink, stainless appliances, and a walk-in pantry ready for your culinary creations. Your primary retreat boasts a large walk-in closet and spa-like ensuite bath, while 2 additional bedrooms offer versatility for guests, hobbies, or a home office. Enjoy Florida's breezes from the screened lanai or relax on the paved patio surrounded by lush landscaping and mature palms, ideal for BBQs, morning coffee, or happy hour. Practical upgrades include a 2-car garage with built-in storage and laundry, irrigation system, and fresh interior paint. Plus, enjoy the community's heated pool, tennis court, clubhouse, and pet-friendly walking areas, all just minutes from downtown Punta Gorda's waterfront dining, boutique shopping, farmers market, and marina. With easy access to I-75, beaches, and parks, this affordable single-family home offers the space and privacy of a house with the lock-and-leave convenience of a condo. Why settle for